Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So, bit of a rejection there, 5% down. Fundamental people highlighted that the drop occurred because of weather forecast change. I don't know. It certainly rallied into resistance. Apparently the weather forecast changed at the resistance level. Always funny to see the news and how there's always a reason for a price move. The reasons don't matter though to technical analysts really and to the charts really. So what happened? I mean, it did move up a little bit, but not enough to really put this wave count here at risk. It changes though a little bit. It morphs a little bit because what I had here as an Elliott Wave triangle can still be a triangle. And the C wave is oftentimes the more complex or the most complex wave in a triangle. But the move up here, this cannot be an E wave. An E wave cannot go beyond the C wave. And even though it was only, I don't know, a few cents, it still pushed higher. I mean, it didn't really, but still, we talk here about, oh dear, not maybe even just a cent, okay? Don't even know if that's really relevant. Nevertheless, I cannot, without breaking the rules, leave a triangle as it is. So the C wave would naturally move here. So we have to deal with an extension of the triangle, which is a shame, but doesn't mean the count changes really in any way or the scenario. We are basically still in a range, okay? And also in the other count, so we've got two counts here where we said, okay, we've got either the Elliott Wave triangle, A, B, C, D, E. This would now need another higher low in a D wave and then a higher low in a D wave and a higher low in an E wave before it then comes down. So the triangle count with the E wave would complete the wave 4. And then we would see a sell-off based on this wave count, or in the second wave count, which basically goes in the same direction. It doesn't really make a great difference in the short term. This is the yellow count where we had a wave 1 to the downside, wave 2 to the upside. Also here the wave 2 just jumps over here. Doesn't make a difference. It's just, it looks corrective on the way up, okay? It looks corrective. That's what I said all the time here. Yeah, of course it can still go up. It can also break above resistance. All of that can happen. However, it still has a very corrective structure here, a lot of overlaps. And in a more bullish scenario, this should have broken out now. So we'll see. I mean, at the moment, still these two wave counts valid, where we just had a pullback, a corrective pullback, and we can break to the downside. But the breakdown is not going to be confirmed until price really breaks below 195. That will be the breakout point. However, taking out the last swing low here at $2.14 will already give additional evidence that the move down is in the making. Okay, so these are the two scenarios. Either wave 4 topped here and we are moving down in the yellow wave count, or wave 4 is going to top at the end of the triangle. Now this is these wave counts are the short-term bearish ones. After that move down, we should see a bull run. And these are only valid as long as price stays below 269. So also with that spike here that occurred today, price did not break out. Okay, so a break above 269, which can still happen, would shift probabilities towards a scenario where we see a larger rally, possibly to 320, maybe a little bit higher. And that wave count would be an A wave up, a B wave down, and a C wave to the upside in a wave 4. And the wave 4 would then sit here. So a flat pattern. Basically that wave 4 evolved as an ABC structure, a so-called flat pattern. This is not my, and has been for a while now, not my preferred scenario. And the reason is that this is so choppy here, this price action. Yeah, very, very choppy price action. If this happens with a breakout to the upside, then I might rather count. I mean, if we get that higher wave 4, yeah, then I'd rather count this as follows: A wave up, then the B wave possibly as a triangle, but even that will be difficult now with this wave count, and then the C wave to the upside. It's just so corrective here. But yeah, let's see. I mean, it all depends on the 269 level. If that breaks to the upside, then we're looking at $3 and $3.20 and beyond. We need to see then how we do, how exactly we are working out the wave count for now, because we are below 269. Not so important. Just at the moment, it is important to understand that above 269, the two wave counts to the downside that I have, they will be invalidated. Okay, and then we can expect some more short-term upside afterwards. It's just that, from a wave count point of view, the move up that occurred here looks like a corrective pullback, which should sell off, but we'll see. At the moment, preference would be for another low, but Elliott Wave tells us there is also one wave count that allows price to go higher in a wave 4 before coming down. But then again, it depends on the 269 level. That really is the pivot point. Okay, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.